last video we have completed Unit 8 Adjective and its type. Now even we have completed the exercise also which were given in that unit. Now today we are going to start Unit 9 Adjective. How to put the adjective in right order. That is the right order means adjective right order means if there are more than one adjective is there in the sentence. If more than one adjectives are there in the sentence, then how to write proper order of the given adjective. What to write first? Which adjective write first? Let's see now. So first, what we have to do? We have to write A. Right? Then the second is opinion. Opinion. Then after opinion, if there is more than one adjective is there in the sentence, that time we have to follow this right order. First, write opinion, then size, age or shape, then color, material and noun. So, in the opinion, what will come there? Nice, then wonderful, then interesting, annoying, and here a wonderful, a nice, some interesting, this annoying. First, what we have to write? We have to write the opinion. Beautiful, nice, wonderful, interesting and annoying. Now, if any size is there, age is mentioned or shape is there, then after opinion what we have to write? The size, age or shape. So what will come there? Big, large, small, tiny. Right? Now, if size is there in the sentence or shape is mentioned or age is mentioned and opinion is mentioned, that time what we have to write first? We have to write first the opinion. We have to write first the opinion, then we have to mention the size or age or shape. Then the next is color. If any sentence is there and there is size also there, color also there, material also mentioned and opinion also mentioned. So after size, shape and age we have right to color. Red, orange, colorful, green. Red, orange, colorful, green. If material is also there, so after color we have to write material like cotton, wooden, like this. And then the noun, trees, pumpkin, stories, puppets, this table we have to follow. If more than one adjective is there, that time we have to follow this table. First we have to write the opinion, then size, age or shape, then write the color, then material and then noun. Like this table we have to follow if more than one adjectives are there in the sentences. So you note down this table in your notebook. These are the adjectives. Adjectives table. So you note down this table in your notebook today the focus and practice exercises is there. We'll complete that exercise today. I just wrote this. Let's do the focus exercise. Now what instruction is there in focus exercise A? Look at the highlighted adjective in the following sentence. That means there are 6 sentences is there and some highlighted adjectives are there. That means in bold black color some adjectives are there. Write OP for opinion if that bolded adjective, highlighted adjective is opinion. So write OP. If it is size, so write SI. If age, write A, and if it is shape, so write SH, and it is color, so write CO, and if it is material, then write MA. So I just write here what we have to write. OP for opinion, SI size, A age, SH shape, CO color, MA material. If the sentences are there and some highlighted adjectives are also there, which you can see in the black dark color. So we have to identify the adjective, whether it is size, whether it is age, whether it is shape, color or material, and we have to write this SI for size, OP for opinion, A for age, SH for shape, CO for color, MA for material. Now let's write the first sentence. Scotland's great beauty lies in green in Greek, blank space, meadows, and large, again blank space, mountains. Now two highlighted words are there. First this large and this green. So this green is color. So for color what we have to write? Here will come CO and this is large, that means this is the size. So what will come here? SI. Like this we have to write. This green is in bold color, in black color, and this large is also in highlighted color. So for color we write CO and for size we write SI. Now the second sentence. The country comprises of beautiful blank space, beautiful is highlighted, and what is there? Highlands. Full stop. Now this beautiful is opinion. This beautiful is opinion, and for opinion what we write? OP. So what will come here? OP. The country comprises of beautiful highlands. Now the third sentence I am writing. Can you steal? Can you steal our enemies? Spirit of metal. Metal is highlighted word. Then blank space, warship. He asked. Now, can you see our enemy's field of metal warship? He asked. Now, metal is telling us about the material. This metal is highlighted there, and this metal is material. So, for material, what we write? MA. For material, we write MA. Now the fourth sentence I am writing here. The people of Lilliput wrote triangular is highlighted, blank space hats. So triangular means shape. The people of Lilliput wrote triangular, it is 4. The people of Lilliput wore triangular blank space hat. This triangular is shape. So for shape we write SH. For shape we write SH. Now the fifth one I am writing here. Dear vice leader, their voice leader spoke to the confused confused word is highlighted. The highlighted words, these are the adjectives. Some adjectives are highlighted in the sentences. So I am underline here the adjectives, but in that sentences it is highlighted. So confused, blank space, Gulliver. So confused, this is opinion. Their wise leader spoke to confused Goliath. Confused is the opinion. So for opinion we write OP. We write OP. You also have to write these all sentences in your notebook. I hope you have written this first one. So I just have to rub this first one. Now the sixth is there. This is an old. Old is highlighted book about a sailor named Lemuel Gulliver. So I write the sixth one. First I rub this and I write here the sixth one sentence. This is an old adjective is highlighted book about a sailor named Lemuel First one I have to rub. Named Lemuel. Gulliver. Now old word, this old adjective is highlighted there. See, so this old is age. So what will come here? A. What will come there? A. Right? Now here we have completed all the 6 sentences which the highlighted words were there, and we have written the short form of them. Whether it is indicating the size, whether it is telling age, shape, color, material and opinion. So you all note down this all the sentences in your notebook. Note down these all sentences in your notebook. Now the practice exercise is there. Rewrite the sentences below using the adjective in the bracket. The first one has been done for you. That means more than one adjectives are there in the bracket. There are 2 or 3 adjectives are there in the bracket, and we have to put that adjective in proper order according to opinion, size, age, shape, color, material and noun. So let's do that exercise. The first one is already done for you. One day Mother Bear made some porridge and in the bracket two adjectives are there, tasty, wheat. So rewrite the sentence. One day mother bear made some tasty wheat porridge. So this first number I will not write on the board. The next, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth will do on the board. So I am just rubbing this. Let's do the second exercise. What instruction is there? We have to rewrite the sentences by using the proper order of the adjectives, because in the bracket two adjectives are also there. Second one is already done for you. At last, what we have to put? At last, after adjective we write noun. So before noun only we have to write all the adjectives which is there. So the second one I am writing. You also write with me. Porridge was too hot to eat immediately. So they went. So they went out. Went out for a walk. Now in the bracket two adjectives are there. Nice, little. Now here answer is we have to rewrite this sentence. So the porridge was too hot to eat immediately. So they went out for. First, what will come? Opinion. Opinion is nice for nice. Then little walk. Nice little walk. These two adjectives we put before a noun. Nice little walk. Now this third one. Goldilocks came into the bear's house. Into the bear's house. She had golden hair. Now before noun we have to write two adjectives there, long and beautiful. So let's write Goldilocks came into the bear's house. She had. First, she had. What we write first? Beautiful. First we write opinion. Beautiful. Then beautiful long golden hair. She had golden, beautiful golden then we write size long hair. She had beautiful golden long hair. Now the fourth I am writing here. She sat in the bear's chair and accidentally broke baby bear's chair. Now two adjectives there, small and the. So first we write size, then we write material. So the answer is she sat in the bear's chair and accidentally broke baby bear small wooden chair. Small wooden chair. So we have rewritten the sentences by using this adjective which is given in the bracket, and according to its proper order we have written that adjective in the sentences. So two sentences are left. You just complete the first one, then I can write the fifth and the sixth one. So these three sentences we have completed here because the first one is already written, already done. It is now the second one we have done, third one we have done, and the fourth one we have done. Now it's homework time, so I just give you the two sentences, this fifth and sixth sentence you have to complete by your own. Put the adjective at its proper order, and the extension exercise is also your homework. Choose the correct opinion to complete each sentence. Choose the correct opinion to complete each sentence. This is also your homework. So I just write here the homework on the board. I am writing the first one, rubbing this. Three sentences we have completed on the board. Now two sentences you have to complete. Your homework is rewrite 5 and 6. 5 and 6 sentence by using given adjective. In the bracket. Now what you have to do is fifth one and sixth one you have to rewrite that sentence. Rewrite fifth and sixth sentences by using the given adjective in the bracket and extension exercise and complete the extension exercise. So this is your homework, today's homework. What you have to do, these three sentences we have completed because in the practice exercise first one is already done. So second, third and fourth we have completed here. Now the fifth and sixth you have to complete by using the proper adjective order and the extension exercise, whole extension exercise you have to complete. Now we'll meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.